Alright, so just thought I'd show you how I use the steering lock. What I do is I put the long end this way, so it's up here in the corner, and that way you can't turn it either way. And yeah, to take it off you have to put the key in, like this. And then you can slide it out. And then to put it back in, just go like this, put it in here, and it's kind of hard to do, but you just pull it out, and it seems though, yeah, you just pull it out until it's completely out. If I put it the other way, put it the other way around, like this, take the key out, like this. I can still turn the wheel a bit, so it's not as effective, and I can probably yeah, so that's it. Just thought I'd share that with you. Not the best video, but yeah, cheers.